This is the Texas Real Estate Commission Standards of Practice, Minimum Inspection Requirements for Electrical Systems.
A. Service entrance and panels. 1. The inspector shall report as deficient. A. A drop, weatherhead or mast that is not securely fastened to the building. B. The absence of or deficiencies in the grounding electrode system. C. Missing or damaged dead fronts or covers plates. D. Conductors not protected from the edges of electrical cabinets, gutters, or cutout boxes. E. Electrical cabinets and panel boards not appropriate for their location, such as a clothes closet, bathrooms, or where they are exposed to physical damage. F. Electrical cabinets and panel boards that are not accessible or do not have a minimum of 36 inches of clearance in front of them. G. Deficiencies in I. Electrical cabinets, gutters, cutout boxes, and panel boards. 2. The insulation of the service entrance conductors, drip loop, separation of conductors at weatherheads, and clearances. 3. The compatibility of overcurrent devices and conductors. 4. The overcurrent device and circuit for labeled and listed 250-volt appliances. V. Bonding and grounding. 6. Conductors. And 7. The operation of installed ground fault or arc fault circuit interrupter devices. And H. The absence of I. Trip ties on 250-volt overcurrent devices or multi-wire branch circuit. The second, appropriate connections. 3. Antioxidants on aluminum conductor terminations, and for main disconnecting means. 2. The inspector is not required to A. Determine present or future sufficiency of service capacity amperage, voltage, or the capacity of the electrical system. B. Conduct voltage drop calculations. C. Determine the accuracy of overcurrent device labeling. D. Remove covers where hazardous as judged by the inspector. E. Verify the effectiveness of overcurrent devices, or F. Operate overcurrent devices. B. Branch circuits, connected devices, and fixtures. 1. The inspector shall A. Manually test the installed and accessible smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. B. Report the type of branch circuit conductors, and C. Report as deficient I. The absence of ground fault circuit interrupter protection in all I. Bathroom receptacles. 2. Garage and accessory building receptacles. 3. Outdoor receptacles. 4. Crawl space receptacles and lighting outlets. V. Basement receptacles. 6. Receptacles that serve kitchen countertops. 7. Receptacles that are located within 6 feet of the outside edge of a sink, shower, or bathtub. 8. Laundry area receptacles. 9. Indoor damp and wet location receptacles. X. Kitchen dishwasher receptacle. And 11. Electrically heated floors. 2. The absence of arc fault protection in the following locations. I. Kitchens. 2. Family rooms. 3. Dining rooms. 4. Living rooms. V. Parlors. 6. Libraries. 7. Dens. 8. Bedrooms. 9. Sunrooms. X. Recreation rooms. 11. Closets. 12. Hallways. And 13. Laundry area. 3. The failure of operation of ground fault circuit interrupter protection devices. 4. Missing or damaged receptacle, switch or junction box covers. V. The absence of I. Equipment disconnects, and 2. Appropriate connections, such as copper/aluminum approved devices, if branch circuit aluminum conductors are discovered in the main or sub-panel based on a random sampling of accessible receptacles and switches. 6. Receptacles less than 5.5 feet above the floor that are not tamper-resistant. 7. Deficiencies in 125-volt receptacles by determining the I. Presence of power. 2. Correct polarity, and 3. Presence of grounding. 8. Deficiencies in 250-volt receptacles by determining the presence of power. 9. Deficiencies in I. Switches. 2. Bonding or grounding. 3. Wiring terminations, junction boxes, devices, and fixtures, including improper location. 4. Doorbell and chime components, and V. Smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. X. Improper use of extension cords. 11. Deficiencies in or absences of conduit, where applicable. 12. The absence of smoke alarms. I. In each sleeping room. 2. Outside each separate sleeping area in the immediate vicinity of the sleeping rooms. And 3. In the living space of each story of the dwelling. And 13. The absence of carbon monoxide alarms outside each separate sleeping area in the immediate vicinity of the sleeping rooms when either of the following conditions exist. I. Fuel-fired appliances are installed in the dwelling, or 2. An attached garage with an opening into the dwelling unit. 2. The inspector is not required to A. Inspect low-voltage wiring. B. Disassemble mechanical appliances. C. Verify the effectiveness of smoke alarms. D. Verify interconnectivity of smoke alarms. E. Activate smoke or carbon monoxide alarms that are or may be monitored or require the use of codes. F. Verify that smoke alarms are suitable for the hearing impaired. G. Remove the covers of junction, fixture, receptacle, or switch boxes unless specifically required by these standards. Or H. Test arc fault circuit interrupter devices when the property is occupied or damage to personal property may result in the inspector's reasonable judgment.